DXYZ stock analysis update Monday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in the short 1 minute video, so watch it till the end. This thing, Destiny Tech 100 stock, is sitting at 57.32. Like, honestly speaking, just from a first glance, this seems like a very positive, a very good bullish trend, right? But honestly, just looking at it, I'm still bullish. Again, I'm gonna be mark out the high, and I'm gonna be overall bullish, right? Just my range, and that's correct, right? The only way that I'll really take this thing higher, although like I said, like that I'm bullish, and this is my target, liquidity target. The only way that I would take a trade is if it now from here comes lower and then gives me rules here. Is that it? Can that happen? Obviously. What is the chance? Very slim. So therefore, you can go even higher from here without me. That's fine. But the only way that I would approach this is if it comes in the zone and then gives me the rules. Not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.